Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewers. As usual, you're watching my YouTube channel Balghari Kitchen, and today in Balghari Kitchen, I'm going to make some authentic Pakistani cuisine, which is from the city from Peshawar. So in Peshawar, we call it Charsi Chicken Karahi. So Charsi Chicken Karahi is very famous in Peshawar. Many restaurants they prepare this dish because of this famous. So it's have very simple ingredients but very authentic. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Do subscribe Balghari Kitchen. Share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your beautiful comments in the comment section. So I'm going to show you in my kitchen what are the key ingredients I prepare for the chicken charsi karahi. So here I have cut already chicken, which is almost 700 gram. I have 4 piece tomatoes, which I cut into half. 1 cup water, 1.5 cup oil, salt, sliced ginger, crushed black pepper, chopped ginger, coriander leaves for garnish, and chopped garlic. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for Charsi chicken kadai. So let's start our cooking. So I have already put one pan on fire, and then I'm going to add oil, and let's make the oil hot. Once the oil is hot, 1 tablespoon salt into oil. Let's stir the salt. The oil is hot. I'm going to add the chicken and fry the chicken until it's golden brown. Let's fry for until let's fry until it's golden brown. Normally, this is preparing karai, but I don't have karai. But this is similar to karai. It's very thick pan, so it's very delicious as well. Now, viewers, it's almost fried, so we need to remove the excess oil. Just keep some oil which will be required. Now add ginger and garlic. Put the tomatoes in this way. Put all like this way, and then keep the cover and cook for 5 minutes. Viewers, it's almost now 5 to 6 minutes. So let's check. So now the tomatoes are soft. We are going to remove the skins. So easy to remove. See the skins. We are going to remove with the help of tongue. So we can remove all the skins. Now the tomato we need to mash like this. We can mash the tomato and cook thoroughly. Mash all the tomato. It's all about the taste of tomato. So mash the tomato nicely in this way. Mash all the tomato and keep cooking until the water little bit dry. So mash the tomato nicely. So keep cooking until it's become dry. It could take more 5 minutes. Keep on high fire. So then later on we reduce the fire. Now viewers, it's time to add the crushed pepper. 1 tablespoon crushed pepper, and then cook for another 2 to 3 minutes thoroughly. You can see the gravy now. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then our chicken is ready. So viewer, our chutney kadai is almost ready. I'm going to dish out. Look at this beautiful chicken. It's almost dry. So I'm going to dish out in the plate. Let's dish out our chicken into plate. Wow. and then garnish with ginger and some coriander leaves. So our chicken Charsi Karahi is ready. So viewers, our chicken Charsi Karahi is ready. Wow, it looks delicious. It's very dry with the ginger and a very nice flavor. Let me try some chicken. Wow, very hot. Mmm, it's very nice flavor. So you can prepare this one in your kitchen, and it's very easy to make and with very simple ingredients. But you follow the procedure. You can add green chili as well. So it's very delicious. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Do subscribe Balghari Kitchen. Share to friends and family. And don't forget to give your beautiful comment. Thank you for watching Bulgari Kitchen. For upcoming videos, keep stay tuned with Bulgari Kitchen. Delicious.